Hello and welcome to another episode of Studio Survival Guides. My name's Sam, I'm your Logic engineer, and in this episode we're going to be looking at how to access the main and mix windows whilst examining some brief features of them, and we're going to have a brief look at automation in the main window. Okay, so this is the main window in Logic Pro X. This is where you're going to be doing most of your editing and sequencing whilst using the program. Whilst in the main window, I'm just going to explain to you how to access the automation features in Logic. You can access automation simply by pressing A on the keyboard. Automation is a really handy tool that allows you to set predetermined paths for functions to follow whilst the audio is playing. Automation allows you to edit basic things such as the volume and the pan, but also is used for more advanced features such as individual plugin settings. So I'm just going to edit the volume of this piece of audio so you can hear the effects it creates. So as you can see, the volume at first slowly decreased and then dramatically increased. Okay, now I'm going to edit the channel's pan so the audio plays from left to right. You can also access a library of preset sounds and MIDI instruments from the button in the very top left of Logic Pro X. Next to this is the I button, which gives you an overview of the channel strip you're currently on, allowing you to adjust plugins, volume, pan, and all sorts of features. Okay, as you can see, Logic Pro X has quite a few windows that all have different purposes. The main two are the main or the edit window, and the mix window or the mixer. These can be accessed with the keyboard shortcuts Command 1 for the main window, and Command 2 for the mix window. Okay, so this is the mix window. It's essentially a virtual mixing desk, giving you the option to control multiple tracks through the sliders, the overall output through a slider, whilst adjusting plugins, bus channels, and various effects. It's great for mixing, hence the name. It gives you a visual representation of the relative levels of all of your channels, which is especially handy when you have a lot of channels.